Okay, when you look right here, if you go to the website and you type in site semicolon interstatetampa.com, we can see that Google has 9 pages indexed. This is where we're starting at. So we're starting with 9 pages indexed, and we're looking, if you look right here, the pages that are indexed, we've got Interstate Tampa. Now this is the new page that's already indexed because it doesn't have www in front of it. All the other ones have www in front of it. But on the new site, I redirected everything to Interstate Tampa to make it shorter. And if we look through here, we can see that most of the pages, we've got the home page, which is the site that we've already designed. Then we've got, this is going to the home page also. Is that right? 2 home pages. Okay. And then we've got, this one goes to Apply Online. This one goes to Car Finder, which we've got to create. Apply Online, we've got Car Finder, we've got to create. About Us, we've got Inventory Charger, Inventory Cherokee, Inventory CLS class, C class, E class. If you look, these are the ones that are showing up the most. These with the Inventory Charger. That's what they were saying before, was that the search result pages are the ones that usually rank the best on the dealership websites. So what we've done is we've created a way to create these SRP pages on the slide. So we can actually, we've got the C class, we've got the Chevrolet, we've got, let's see, used Chevrolet SUV. I can create any of these I want to create just by typing here and hitting create. It creates the SRP pages, and then I just slide and drop this from here over to this side right here, and that's how you create those SRP pages. Here's one. Let's see. This is a Nissan Pathfinder. So let's see. We've got used Nissan. And we could even add Pathfinder in there if we wanted to. We could say, okay, we also want Pathfinder. And since this right here is not the make, this is the model, we're going to make it orange. We'll make it a darker orange. We'll say select, create, and now Pathfinder's in here. So now I can come down here to wherever that Pathfinder went. I got to figure out a better way to find these things. This is kind of aggravating, but anyway, somewhere in here we should have that Pathfinder we created. There it is, Pathfinder. So then if I come back down here to the Pathfinder, so 2 things. One, I don't want it to jump when you create something, because then you have to come back and find the car again. And 2, I need a way to find those things. So this right here is the Pathfinder, so I can drop this in here. Pathfinder, this is an SUV, I can drop. So that's 3 of those SRP pages right there. But for Google to find these pages, and they're on the website, so they can be found on the website. But what we also want, because if we come to the website right here, we come in here to the website, and I go to the blog, then we can see where we just created this post right here. And this post links to this page right here. And we can, this is the text. So the text changes for every single page. You've got the header, and then you've got the other tags here. So it's linking back to all these different tags. But we're also able, and then this right here is also the FAQ for the page. So this right here is for the 8-cylinder. If I come in here and I say, okay, what's under 6-cylinder? This changes to 6-cylinder, and the FAQ changes to 6-cylinder. If I say automatic, this changes to automatic, and this changes to the automatic FAQ also. So the content on the page should be changing every time we add something. And also, if we come in here to the inventory page, no, it's not going to do that here because we've got all of them set. Okay, how about category? Okay, here. So we've got a category page that actually shows everything in here as well. So what we need to do, and this has got some arrows on it. Look, it's got that there and this here. So I need to go in and clean that up, and also I need to make this a little darker so it's easier to see. But we can also build links to this page, which will then link out to every single page that we've created with the content on it. So goal 1 is to get some ads running to it so we can see exactly what's happening, but to also make sure we've got all the pages created that Google has already indexed, and to also see if we can get Google to index more of these pages, so we can. I mean, what we really want is to have 1,000 pages indexed, and a lot of that's going to come from the blog posts, because we can create blog posts a lot faster than we can buy and sell cars, and then that'll give us more pages, and we link those back into the car pages, the VDPs and the SRPs, and we should be able to get everything ranking. And we mouse over here. I don't like that big gap in there, it gaps between the different categories. But on the blog post, again, we've got the terms of the whatever you call it, where you've got the list of all the pages. I can't even think now. And then we've got our content, and then every page has an FAQ page too. That's a little too bright. I need to change that. Anyway, I just wanted to make a record of the fact that we're starting with 9 pages right here indexed, and from there, I thought it said 9 right here somewhere, but anyway, somewhere it said 9 pages. It says, okay, 9 already displayed, and then we click here. I don't know how many more it shows, but I mean, maybe 10 or 11 at the most. I could count them 1, 2, 3. I don't. It's anyway. That gives you an idea of where we're starting at and how easy it is for us to create more of these pages. Inventory Charger, Inventory Cherokee. We can create thousands or hundreds of those pages as we go through and get more cars in and get it organized and set up. And those are the ones that Google is currently indexing, but they have not indexed any of the VDP pages. So we need to get the VDP pages indexed as well. And that gives you an idea of where we're starting.